In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a colored photo to black and white. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos app, then open up some album and select a photo that you want to convert. Then hit on Edit. And now it can be two different ways how you can convert those photos to black and white, and I'll show you both. The first way is to hit right there at these three circles icon to show up filters, and then just drag it to the very right where you can find three different black and white filters. That is mono, that is silver tone, and noir. If you don't want to use any of that filters, you can move it back to original, or here tap on cancel, and then you can open up edit mode again, and right here select that color and contrast feature. It is selected by default actually, and then just drag this toolbar to the left until you find saturation, and then just move it to the right up to 100, and as you can see here, I have just converted this image to black and white using saturation feature. If you like the result, just hit on done. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.